In our previous class, we discussed the topic materials and processing, identification of wood. Wood is a fundamental material used in technology, renowned for its versatility and wide array of applications in various industries. In today's class, we will be discussing the topic identification of metals. Metals are hard, shiny substances that conduct heat and electricity. They can be melted, hammered, and attract iron. Properties of metal. Conductivity. Metals have the ability to conduct heat and electricity. Fusibility. Some metals can be melted and cast into shapes. Magnetic. Certain metals have the ability to attract iron. Ductility. Some metals can be drawn or stretched out into wires without breaking. Brittleness. Certain metals have the tendency to break or crack when subjected to impact. Malleability. Some metals can be hammered or beaten into shape without cracking. Toughness. Certain metals can withstand bending, breaking, cracking, or stretching. Density. Metals have weight and volume. Color, luster. Some metals exhibit a shining appearance when polished. Classes of metal. Ferrous metals contain iron and are magnetic, e.g., wrought iron, cast iron, and steel. Non-ferrous metals don't have iron, e.g., aluminum, copper, or brass. Processing metals. Metals are often mixed with impurities in the ore. Mined, and processed to extract metal. Extraction varies based on the metal. Casting. The process of melting and pouring molten metal into a mold to take the shape of the mold when it cools down or solidifies. Smelting. Extracting metals from iron or dug from the ground. Annealing. The process by which metals can be softened. Uses of metal. Construction. Metal is used in building structures, bridges, and frameworks due to its strength and durability. Transportation. Metals are essential in the manufacturing of vehicles, airplanes, and ships due to their lightweight and sturdy properties. Electrical conductors. Metals like copper and aluminum are used in electrical wiring and power transmission due to their excellent conductivity. Manufacturing. Metal is used in various industries for machinery, tools, and equipment due to its versatility and ability to be processed into different shapes. Packaging. Metals such as aluminum are used for cans and containers due to their resistance to corrosion and ability to preserve the contents. Thank you for watching. See the next video.